Hi guys, I'm Lane from Anything Scout, and today we're going to talk about this 1978 Scout 2. It's a previous drivability conversion from 5 or more years ago. Alright, so as you can see here, we have our standard drivability conversion. It's obviously got some miles on it, but it still looks pretty good. It's a 4.8 liter with a 6L80 automatic. It's got all of our basic standard touches. We've redone all the wiring since it's been here again after its 5-year hiatus. I have freshened up some wiring, modified some grounds, added some things, made it better. Just basic maintenance stuff. We've gone through fluids and things like that, rechecked the gears and the axles. We've checked everything for leaks and anything that needs a little bit of maintenance we've addressed. So, like I said, we had this truck in for some regular maintenance. We did simple things like change the bump stops that were a little bit worn. We changed spark plugs and wires. We changed the fuel filters. We changed the oil. We checked the gears. Anything you would think with normal maintenance. We fixed a small AC leak, pretty common on these old trucks. We ship these trucks all over the country, so I mean, a lot of customers want to maintain a relationship with us, and we'll do the same with them. We appreciate it. We're more than happy to do any work that they want. They may not have somebody they can go to in their area, or maybe not somebody that they trust. So we're more than happy to keep an open relationship and get them in here, get them maintenanced, get them back on the road. That's the goal. That's the point of these conversions. They're easy to maintenance. We can do it quickly, usually, and we just want to make the customer happy, and if they're happy, we're happy. Thanks for watching, guys, and as usual, go ahead and watch our other videos, and if you want to go talk about a drivability conversion with us, go ahead and contact us, our phone number or our website, and we'll see you later.